So we're here in Kent with grower Antony Redsell again, 3 weeks after we were here for the T1 sprays, and there is some rain in the air. Antony, you must be very pleased. I understand there has been some rain since we were last down here.
Yes, well, we had 5 mil of rain over 48 hours about 2 weeks ago, and that got us out of jail, and there's more rain forecast for this week, so we're pretty happy. Right. Things are a lot better than they were 3 weeks ago.
So you're happier with the way that crops are looking?
Yeah, much happier.
And James Rimmer of CCC Agronomy, I understand that the T2 sprays are hopefully going to go on this week. Can you tell us a bit more about your plans for those?
Well, they'll start this week. Obviously, there's a 3 week window now between T1 and T2. Flag leaks are fully emerged on even the side tillers on most of the varieties we're targeting now. So they'll go ahead this week, and product choices based on risk and variety and drilling date. So there's lots of different options at T2 this year.
Yeah. And are you trying out any of the new products that have come to the market?
I'm trying some new chemistry up against some tried and tested and see how that performs. So I am trying some Alatus era, for example, on
Right.
Crusoe,
Right.
and trying that against other SGHIs and see how it performs.
And has there been any changes, tweaks made for the weather?
There have, but again, based on varietal nuance and drilling date and therefore risk. It has been a lesser septoria pressure year, especially here on Antony's farm,
Right.
due to the later drilling dates. That said, there are thicker crops out there with high levels of septoria pressure in, but again, it has been a rustier and even mildewy more season than it has septoria.
Right. And Bill Clark from Niab Tag, there's been a lot of talk and conjecture about whether people can cut back on fungicides at T2, given that it has been so dry. Would you have any comments to make on that?
It's a dangerous thing to do, because when we were here 3 weeks ago, it was bone dry. We're standing here in a field in the rain. There is septoria in these crops. Yeah. It's down in the bottom half of the canopy.
Yeah.
The T1's done a good job. You can see leaf 2, leaf 3 is clean. Flag leaf's fully out, just ready for its spray. But it all depends on the weather. If this rain comes, septoria can still pick up. But mainly I think not so much in this, where there's a bit of brown rust, but yellow rust in other crops is the thing. And
Right.
This is perfect. 12, 15 degrees, rain. That's perfect yellow rust weather. So people should be keeping an eye on the yellow rust. From a septoria point of view, yes, it's turning into a low disease year, but you're talking about protecting those top 2 leaves. So there's a little bit of scope for tweaking programs, but not cutting back.
Right. So a false economy, really, then, to cut back at this stage of the season.
It's just a risk. If
risk.
if you're clairvoyant, you can do that. But unless you're clairvoyant, it's more cost effective to put a robust sort of flag leaf spray on than try and save money by putting on a below par flag leaf spray. And if the weather breaks, you've wasted your money.